Alright, SRT gang, we are back at it. We're gonna finish up the nitrous install. Josh is supposed to be coming over to help me finish wiring everything, and then I think we'll be good to go. There might be a few small lingering things that we don't get done, but by God, I'm not going to bed tonight till this is done.
I'm not going to bed tonight till this is done.
Let's do it. Like I said in the last video, there is just a little bit of wiring to do here for the controller and the solenoids. I got one bit of wiring to do inside, and then we got to hook up the fuel line and then tie in the signals here, which Josh is going to work on. And I have to actually make the purge line. I'm just going to do it here for now, but I got to change it so it doesn't point straight at the windshield. That probably isn't a good idea, so that's what we got to get done, and then it should be good to go, and we can run it and see how it works and give it a rip down the street, and hopefully nothing blows up. Okay, I'm going to teach y'all the intricacies of soldering here. Even with a crappy soldering.
Don't do it.
You pull the solder into the wire, heat up the wire, and pull the solder into it. There you go, just like that. Beautiful! There's a ground. Easy as that. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah. We got wires everywhere. Josh is trying to pick up the signals for the map sensor and throttle position sensor. And then let me show you here. We got everything done inside except for the blowdown tube. So, bottle's mounted. Here's the little wiring harness for the bottle heater and the pressure sensor for it. It works awesome. The lines run. Once we figure out exactly if this is going to be the position that, or where we mount the bottle, I'll actually hide that nitrous line underneath the carpet, but for right now I just have it sitting right there. We got switch panel in, wired up, they turn on. Here's our touch screen. Everything's good. We just got to do the blowdown tube, which isn't a necessity to get running, and then finish a couple wires up there. More soldering. We're in the home stretch.
Finally.
We're in the home. Here, I'll hold it. So we got one more wire to do here, and then all the signals are tied in to the car that the controller is going to read, and then we just got to hook the controller to the solenoids, a power, 2 powers, and a ground, and then it's done.
Finally.
And I remade a new purge line that I think is going to work for the time being until I figure out exactly what I want to do. Yes, it looks like a snake. Get over it. Oh, Josh.
That's a quick one.
Oh. There we go. Mr. Mac, how dare you convince me into getting this? This is all your fault. We probably need the car running, don't we?
You got 3 tunes.
I thought you could do 5, but 3 might be correct. Here's the display. It's working. Got the nitrous kit turned on. The battery's pretty much dead on this car though, so
You can purge it with it off. I guess that'll work.
you can run the heater with it off too.
Okay. Alright. Oh, I don't.
Josh, can we purge? Let's see if it works.
Oh, out of the inlet going to the solenoid key. Alright.
It's the input to the solenoid. Oh, we got a leak! Holy shit. Froze the line up. Come on. Should I crack it again and see? No, I think we're good there. Oh, just like that, it's the next day. Alright guys, so it is the next day, and the Demon is not done. The Demon is almost done. I said I wasn't gonna go to sleep until it was done. I'm a f***ing liar. I went to sleep. The Demon's dead. The battery's completely dead. The car has not been driven since the video where we went and wrote, since the video where we went to Indianapolis and went racing there with Leah Pritchett and Matt Hagan. That's the last time it was driven. So, and that was, you know, 5 or 6 passes down the drag strip. So definitely didn't have much time to charge the battery, so it's dead. I don't know. Nothing got left on, but we tried jump starting it from the Hellcat. It wouldn't start. We tried jump starting it from the truck. It wouldn't start. It's just too dead. So we're gonna stick a charger on it and get the battery back up and running, and then we should be good to test it. So where we ended was we were trying to start the car and make sure that the throttle position sensor that we tapped into was reading correctly, and that the RPMs was reading correctly, and that the map sensor was reading correctly, but we were unable to do so. But other than that, the install is basically done. We just got to program the Maximizer 5 controller, and then we're good to go. So hopefully, I'm not sure if we'll be able to get that worked on this evening, but we'll give it a whack today or tomorrow. So anyways, that's it for this one. Swear to God, we are almost there. We're almost there. It's just the demon won't start, so kind of screwed us for finishing last night.